I forgot to do this yesterday. So we're doing more micro soldering. Everybody loves micro soldering. So ELRS module. I haven't got a blue wire, so we'll have two yellow wires for the TX and RX. And then we'll just solder it on there. So I've just tinned everything, strip tinned, and then I'll solder that on there. And that'll be good, hopefully. That's not turned out too bad. Where are we? There we are. We just put some Kapton tape on. Need to clean everything up with a bit of alcohol. That should be okay. Hopefully I'll put the TX and the RX on the right around. It's always fun. So that's what I'm going for. That looks quite good. I'm going to go in there. Give it a nice, got to clean it with alcohol as yet, and then I'm going to put a little bit of Kapton tape on it to cover it, and then just poke it down there. That should be good. I almost messed up. I soldered it all together and then thought I'll just check the wires are on correctly. And I put them all on upside down. I had it around the wrong way. Lucky I didn't power it up. So we're just adjusting camera focus, locking it with a bit of glue, and then changing the camera settings, having a fiddle around. But yeah, that was lucky, wasn't it?